to show you how easy it is to add a product and then make that product into something that your buyers can configure. I'm going to add a t-shirt for Father's Day. So let's go over to templates. And when we go into templates, we can choose a single design, we can choose an entire niche, or we can create a product from scratch. I'm just going to choose a single design here just to be easy. Now, these are all of the different niches of products that are stocked up in here that your buyer can add directly into their store. And fathers, here we go. This is where I want to go. So we've got all these different designs. We've got best dad ever, and I think that's one I'm going to use. Or I might use this. Let's use this best dad in the world. Let's click that. And we have all the different colors that can be available in. You can turn these on or off, and it lists whether they're supported by Printful and supported by GearBubble. Keep in mind, you can enter in your API for either or both. So if you're a GearBubble customer or GearBubble user, you can get your API from GearBubble, pop it right into the configuration here, and all of a sudden, your products can be fulfilled by GearBubble. And it's as simple as just logging into your dashboard in the morning. You can see the orders that have piled up, and it's a one-click approval. In the t-shirt we've picked, here are the different colors. You know what? Printful does not support purple, so I'm going to turn that off just to be consistent, and I'll turn off yellow and ocean blue because GearBubble doesn't support those, and white. So there we are, add the product to the store. So now the product is instantly added into the store, and we can either just start selling it or we can add personalizations. And that's what I want to do, is I want to add personalizations. Now, what we can do is we can just click this link here and it'll take us right to the product. Or if you want to look for it in your products list, you can click products. And what you're going to see is now we have the best dad in the world. It's all these different variants, the different sizes and colors and everything. So let's make this 50 to a page. We want to scroll past the variants and go to the actual shirt. And that's this right here, best dad in the world t-shirt. And see, it is configurable. So let's configure this. You can make individual versions configurable in their own way, I believe too, but we're just going to make it so that all the colors are the same. When we go into edit the product, you see there's a big green button, edit design and personalizations. That's where we're going to go. And what I want to do, this is the design here. I want to be able to have the customer put their dad's name on here. So we have different items we can add into the design. We have static image, which is just a picture, static text, which is text that's just like this, that you can't change. We want to put in dynamic text. So I'm going to click dynamic text, and that gives us a piece of text that we can move around here. And let's just make this bigger, make it wider, and we have some options. Okay, so let's call this dad name. And in the text label, which is the text, the sample text that's here, I'm going to put enter dad's name. Okay. Now, did you see that the size of the text shrunk a little bit? You can define down here minimum and maximum font size. So that allows them to enter in stuff that's longer than this spot, and the text just shrinks. So I'm going to actually make this a little bit smaller in case there's a super long dad name, you know, Lawrence or something that they're putting in. And let's make a more interesting font choice here. Let's see what blanket is like. There's what blanket is like. Let's leave that because it kind of works with this handwritten text design. Okay, then you can come down here and have different options to it. You can center the text left, right. You can curve it. I just want it to be simple like this. So we have that set up, save our template, and now, once it's saved, give it a moment, template successfully saved, let's go preview it. And here is our product on a royal blue t-shirt. If we make it ash, there we go, it's kind of a gray t-shirt. And you can see down here, now we have customize elements, enter dad's name. So now let's change this to Lawrence. And there we are. Person can order this. They could even say Lawrence is the best dad in the world. That's how easy it is to add a customization to this. And if we go back into products here, and we go back down to the actual shirt, where is it? Maybe I went past it. Best ad in the world right here. Let's go back into configurations. And let's turn on new. So now this will show as a new shirt. And save the product. We can add our description and different categories and variations. If we go out to our store here, now we have featured product. Here's the one we just set up. And new products down here. There's where we just set that up and go into it. And here we are, all ready for people to order. It's as simple as that.